everybody, thanks very much for being here. This is my first video. My name is Leo and I want to share with you my sketches and my drawings, which is something that I really love to do. I hope you like it. To start, I am speeding up the video for 2x so you can see the whole process and get straight to the point. In addition, you can slow the speed down in YouTube as well to see the original. In this video, I will show you a highly recommended exercise to practice on how to add volume to your drawings. I will be doing this using a water-based ink brush in black color. Being able to master black ink is actually challenging. I am starting by using the pencil to mark some squares and circles where I am going to be placing each of the shapes for volume. In this case, I am making circular shapes similar to a donut, but at the same time they look like sea stars. The whole point is to practice this technique and at the same time stimulate the imagination. Drawing can be relaxing. These shapes actually came to my mind in a direct way, and they seem to be very adequate for this exercise. I will increase the speed to 4x so you can see the next step after finishing the baselines. You can choose any shape. Here I show a random example similar to a potato. It can look like a plain 2D drawing before the lines, but after the lines looks actually very cool and in 3D, with many possibilities to add texture with each of the lines. Before starting to draw the lines, try to make some tests on how would it look better. I am making the lines as concentric circles after some tests and makes it look better, like if the shape would be causing the lines. So you got the idea. I will keep the speed of the video in 4x in order to get to the next step. After drawing the concentric lines for the arms, now I'm making lines that follow the shape of the arms. This will keep the same image of the boundary. Can be changed, but in this case I decided to keep it the star-like shape. And this is how versatile this exercise can be. In the middle of the exercise you may find a better way to draw the lines and you could change it. That's the whole point, to find new ways of tracing these lines and stimulate your style, or even get out of your comfort zone when they look weird to you. Now, almost the final lines. This will start showing the final look of the shapes and shows at the same time if the previous lines were traced adequately. This helps also to have a better hand control, especially when the traces are close to each other. So the exercise can be useful in many ways. Also, when I do drawings, I tend to turn the paper if I like, but since this is a video, I wanted to keep it in the same place for you to be able to follow. Easy for the eyes, basically. In these last lines, I wanted to add volume in the front direction, or in the top, basically. I wanted it to look like the top of a volcano, but it looks just slightly like, not quite. To make it look more with that shape, I think the lines close to the central circle should be closer to each other and thinner to give that impression. As you can see, I am not closing all the concentric circles. I find this a good way to add some detail. Finally, having in mind the idea about the volcano, I painted the central circles with solid black. I hope you liked this video. Try this exercise if you wish. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.